Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This prevents discovery failures. Once done, open the App Store and install or update TV Cast, then grant required permissions. Make sure Bluetooth is off unless the app requests it for pairing. Keeping only Wi-Fi reduces conflicts. With the app installed, launch TV Cast and allow network access. This enables device scanning. Next, let the app search for your TV. Pause if it prompts for an endpoint or name to avoid mispairing. Once the TV appears, tap its name to start pairing and confirm any on-screen code. This secures the link. Then pick your media. Use an app browser for websites, import a local file, or paste a streaming URL. After selecting content, set quality and aspect ratio. This prevents automatic downscaling or letterboxing. If subtitles or alternate audio are needed, enable them now. Finally, press Cast. You'll see buffering, then playback. Monitor the progress bar on your iPhone to control position and volume. To finish, stop casting from the TV Cast interface or swipe up to Control Center and tap the casting tile, then close the app to free memory. If connection fails, restart Wi-Fi on both the iPhone and TV and reselect the target device. This often clears discovery issues. If playback stutters, lower the stream quality to 480p, reboot the router, or move devices nearer to the access point. One key tip: check for multiple networks with the same name. Switch both devices to the exact same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.